Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make the best burger the Haitian way. You can see like there's two different color. It's because this one has some lime juice. Like I had poured some lime juice on it, and then part of it has some of the lime juice, so it's not because it's spoiled or anything like that. Okay, so in here I have some onions. I don't know if you guys can see that. I have some onions. I have some garlic butter. It's very easy to make garlic butter. All you need is like a stick of butter and then some garlic. Then you just put it in the microwave. I had some tomato. At the end you'll add some tomatoes. And then I like to chop it up that way it's all the ingredients get into the meat. You don't want part of it is good and then part of it is not good. Anyways, and then you just sprinkle some salt, just a little bit. You don't want it to be too salty. And then if you have some steak seasoning, you can add that, just a little bit, but I prefer to use like natural ingredients. You can use salt and pepper. You can use some garlic. Like I have some minced garlic in there. Like I said, I put some garlic butter, and also I put some parsley. So I don't know if you guys, I chop it up finely, and then I also added that to the garlic butter. Okay, it's gonna make the burger really juicy. So after you do that, then you can start, get a piece, and then you can mold it into the size you want. And that's it. Then you'll pour some olive oil, and then you fry it for like 2 minutes each side, and then you put it in the oven. That way you can drain the excess oil. Smells delicious. So I warm up the bread on this, and it's soaking out all the juices from the burger. So it's yummy. Like this one here. Now I have the bread, the tomato, and the honey mustard. Now I'm gonna add some mayo on them, and then you just cover. And what else? I think that's about it. And then I'll just cover it up. After I